Good morning, children. Welcome to the second session of English. In the last session, we studied the poem Life written by Charlotte Bronte. In this session, we'll be discussing the question and answers of the English workshop of lesson 1.1. Let us begin then. Starting with question 1. Pick out from the poem 2 lines, each that reflect an optimistic, that is positive attitude, and pessimistic, that is negative attitude. It means you have to find from the poem 2 lines that suggest something positive and 2 lines that give out a negative attitude. Let us see question 2. Give other ly adverbs of similar meanings for the following. Use a thesaurus if needed. Students, a thesaurus is a type of dictionary or reference book in which words with similar meanings are arranged in groups. It is used to find synonyms and sometimes antonyms of words. So, let us take the first example, rapidly. We will find an adverb that ends with ly and has a meaning similar to the word rapidly. The answer is quickly. Similarly, you have to find out other adverbs ending with ly which have a similar meaning to the words given below. Let us see the third activity. Pick out 3 examples of interrogation, rhetorical questions from the poem. A rhetorical question is a question which necessarily doesn't expect an answer. So, you have to find out 3 statements from the poem which are actually questions and do not expect an answer but make a point. Also, you will have to explain in your own words what those questions suggest. Let us see activity B from the third question. Explain the metaphor in the following lines. A metaphor is a figure of speech wherein there is an indirect comparison between 2 objects, things, or abstract ideas. Below are given some lines from the poem. You have to explain what is indirectly being compared to a particular thing, object, or idea. Let us see activity C from question 3. Pick out 4 examples of personification. Write what is personified in each. A personification is a figure of speech wherein human qualities are assigned to something that is not human or alive. So, from the poem, you have to find out 4 examples where a dead thing or object or something that is not alive is being given the human quality. Let us see the D activity of question 3. And calls are best away is a gentle way of expressing the unpleasant idea of a loved one dying. It is an example of euphemism. Euphemism is a figure of speech wherein a harsh sentence or idea is expressed in a subtle and soft way. So, in this activity, you have to think and write down 3 or 4 ways in which the idea of death is being explained in a gentle manner. Activity 4. And that's how I realized that courage and hope can help me overcome any major mishap or problem in life. Write an episode or experience from your own life that leads to the above conclusion. So, in this activity, you have to write an incident or an experience from your own life where you realized how courage and hope can help you to come out of any problem in life. Activity 5. Read The Psalm of Life, a poem by H.W. Longfellow. Students, The Psalm of Life is a beautiful poem by American writer H.W. Longfellow. This poem inspires its readers to live actively and neither to lament or weep over the past nor to take the future for granted. So, with the help of the internet, read this poem. I hope you all are clear with all the activities. Thank you. Stay safe.